Before joining the Akash Institute, I was very wavered in my studies. I do not study for long hours, like 4 to 5 hours. It was a dream for me. Hello friends, my name is Ansha Agrawal. I am a 3-year student at Akash Faridabad branch. I completed my 10th class from the institute, in which I scored 98% in the CBSE board exam. I was so inspired by the institute that I continued my course to 11th and 12th JEE Mains and Advanced. I got to know about Akash by an Akash representative who came to my school and told me about the NDE exam. I cleared the NDE exam with AIR 27 and got 100% scholarship for JEE Mains and Advanced course at the Akash Institute. My preparation strategy for JEE was a 3-step process: testing, evaluating and clearing the doubts. I have one-to-one doubt session with my teachers for the doubts I have from my tests and assignments. Problem solving and consistency is also a key feature for clearing the JEE exam with success. Firstly, we have to be consistent daily. We have to solve ample amount of question for 4 to 5 hours for the period of 2 years, 11th and 12th. Problem solving is the key concept because it makes our concepts clearer and deeper and give a better understanding about the subject. Challenges came my way in the JEE journey. It's a long journey and no doubt everyone have to face challenges in JEE. I too faced challenges. The first one came in class 11, fluid mechanics physics topic. I was feeling very low about it. Out of 10 questions, hardly I was making 4 to 5 questions. But I tried to clear my concepts and asked doubt regarding the topic with my teachers. I cleared the doubt at the moment it grew up. Last month before the JEE exam is the final juncture of a JEE journey. The most important priority of all the aspirants is giving tests. I was given a test daily by Akash Institute. I gave it, analyzed it and asked the doubt on the same day with my teachers. Discipline plays a very crucial role in the JEE journey. We must make a rigid timetable and we should follow it. This is discipline. Regularity in classes, this is discipline. Consistency in our self-study, this is discipline. It should not happen like we are studying for 12 hours a day and leaving studies for the next 2 days. Instead, 8 hours of regular study in all the days is better than this. This is an example of discipline. My parents gave me a selfless support. They were my emotional support in the journey. Whenever I feel discomfortable, I used to talk with them. They are my best friends. They never discouraged me for my low marks. They always encouraged me and made me believe that I can do whatever thing I want in life. Also, they have made many sacrifices during my journey. Whenever there was a family function, they didn't attend it because I was studying at home. They also didn't went to the family function so that I can peacefully study at home, and they made me believe that there is someone behind me who is taking care of me and who is always there for me whenever I need support. Experience at Akash was full of learning. I started in class 10 where my concepts were for 12th and 11th, both were cleared, and I got a 98% in the class 10th, which was a testimonial for it. In class 11th and 12th, I was regular in my classes, which provide a better concept clarity. An exam like JEE tests you on your concepts only. So a concept clarity was my utmost priority. The one-to-one attention given to me by the teachers was very unique feature which I found at Akash. I got a 24/7 support from my teachers. Whenever I asked a doubt, I got a reply within 15 to 30 minutes. Before joining the Akash Institute, I was very wavered in my studies. I do not study for long hours, like 4 to 5 hours. It was a dream for me, but after Akash, I was very systematic in my studies, and 4 to 5 hours of studies looked easy because as soon as I got my concept clear, I got more and more interested in my studies. Final test series also helped me understand how I can manage my time in the exam. Initially, I was not very planned how to start my exam. I used to start my exam with maths, but I realized that starting my exam with chemistry gave an additional 5 to 10 minutes at the end, which I can use for revisiting the question which I have doubt. Because of the exam-like experience, no anxiety and stress were left in my mind during the JEE exam. When I was giving the JEE exam, it felt like I have already been through the process for an ample number of times because of the final test series in the past 2 or 3 months. My advice for JEE aspirant is to be regular in classes, doing a self-study for 5 to 6 hours daily and be consistent. We should do mock tests at least once in a 15 days, and analyzing them is also important. Giving mock tests and not analyzing them makes no sense. We must keep record of all the mistakes we are doing, and we must ensure that we never repeat the same mistake in 2 tests. That's the biggest blunder students do. Our destination is the JEE exam, and we will definitely succeed it if we are consistent and regular in our studies. All the best. Thank you.